Hello. In this video, we are going to learn how to prepare the speech fragment, the human voice fragment for your um, piece of sound exercise. Okay, the first thing we are going to do is to, I have taken this speech, that is the I Have a Dream speech by Dr. Martin Luther King.
I have a dream that one day on the red hills of Georgia, sons of former slaves and the...
Okay, in my case, it is 30 seconds more or less, and there are some moments during the speech that he makes a pause, and you can listen noise. This noise is not only in the pauses; it's also in
former slaves and the sons of former...
where he speaks. So to clean, we can clean it using these pauses to get the noise profile, and then remove this noise profile for all the fragment. So let's see how to do it. So I select a moment where there is only noise. Good. And now I apply this effect. Noise reduction, get the noise profile. So here it explains what we are doing. Get the noise profile. And once you have take the noise profile, you can apply to the whole piece. And then go again to effect, go to noise reduction, and then now apply. Okay, and now I think that the noise is
sons of former slaves and the sons of former slave owners.
and all the speech is better. Okay, good. Now, imagine that you have this problem that is, for example, it is possible that the pauses are not very long because you have recorded and you haven't left enough space. Then would be better to make the pause longer. Okay, imagine that. Then what we are going to do is to take this pause and make it longer. We do it like this. We take this, okay, we take this, we copy, we eliminate it, and go to here and paste it. I think that we paste it here. Now we can, I think we are going to be able to move it. Yes, we move it, and then we are doing the pause longer. Okay, and the same if you want to do here or here or wherever. Okay, this is to do the pause longer. This video is enough. With this explanation is enough, and in the next video we will learn new things.